From Kentucky. Well, it's been a minute since I last posted a video. Been having my goats graze up in what my friend calls her spring lot because it has a lot of water that runs through it. As you see from there, and then from up in there, and some of it drains into that tank there. Let's see if I can get across here without getting shut. Here we go. And then it just like drains down there. But see, the thing is, you put a horse in here, and this ground pretty much all over up in there and along there is soggy wet along in here too. And the horses will just basically churn it up. She did have a couple horses in here during the summer dry. And she came in, but she didn't eat a lot of that tough grass, which my goats are eating now. It seems like even my goats don't too terribly like this grass. They've eaten a little bit of it, but see, the thing about goats is that they don't weigh enough to really sink in. So they're not damaging the ground per se, but they are in here eating some nah, Ranger, leave off. Come on. Come back. Good boy. So they're just kind of going around eating the weedy stuff. You just wanted her over there, didn't you? You silly boy. Let me go up here. Yeah, because I get up close and personal. See, spring, that's what she calls it, a spring, because it comes up out of the ground and goes on down there. He can't get the tractor in here because it sinks and gets stuck. See, hear that? That's all coming from up there. So, because otherwise he'd get the tractor in here. They're trying to get some control of the burrs, or cockleburs, but they are, see? But he can't get in here to get him down. They're going to spray come this spring. So, what have you guys done? I don't know. Have you guys even been out an hour? I think you guys aren't done. But those guys are over there. So, we will go over here. Come on, Ranger. Squish, squish, squish. So that's what I've got my goats doing. Trying to earn my keep here. I thought about doing this professionally. You know, rent a goat rental business. But it takes a lot of work, and I have some upcoming surgeries. So it's kind of on the back burner. All depends on how well I recover from the back surgery. But see, they get in there and they're able to access the stuff that, I mean, if the horses walk through, they'd sink. And in some places probably get stuck. So that's why I've been bringing them up in here. You know, they start eating the new cocklebur plants that are coming up. And they eat them when they're nice and juicy and young. Yes. So, alright, well, anyway. Are you getting the birds out of you? I'm sorry, bud. I will talk to you all later. Have a great Christmas. Ta-ta from Kentucky.